How to make fitness website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I'm gonna show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it, I'm in my account. So next, you just need to click this button Get Started and choose what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. This will help Squarespace.com guide your experience. So we need a fitness website, so easily type fitness. And here you can have it fitness, or also you can have fitness instruction, gyms and health clubs, sports training, fitness equipment and accessories. So, but I'm gonna choose this one, fitness. Next, what do you want to do with your website? So basically you need to answer the main purpose of your website. So basically for fitness website, I think we need to promote a physical business, publish or a blog or media, maybe sell memberships, showcase work expertise, collect donations, sell online courses, sell services, sell products, whatever, build community, guys, promote an event or project. Choose whatever you want here, choose whatever you need, what's your site really about, what you want to do with your website. And next, how would you like to start building your website? So guys, you have two options how to build your website, either browse templates or build with AI technology. So guys, I'm not a big fan of this artificial intelligence, and I prefer to choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates. So basically I'm gonna choose this one, browse templates. Here you can see fitness templates, and all you need to do here is to choose the best template for you and for your business. Also you can change the type here, for example, unselect portfolio, unselect memberships, unselect courses, and for example add donations. Also you can change topic. Here you can see we have fitness topic, but for example if you don't like any of those, you can for example choose food topic and edit this food template, fully rework it to do it about fitness. It's really easy to do, but in this video I'm gonna choose this one because I really like this one, earring. And from here you can edit your template, you can change sample color presets right here. Now you can see our website is like black, white and a bit yellow. No, maybe this one is nice. No, maybe this one. Yeah, I like this one. And you need to start with this design when you're done choosing. So guys, meanwhile we are waiting until everything loads. I'm gonna tell you guys why squarespace.com is the best option to create websites. Pretty simple, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use a website to create another website, to create your own website, and it's really easy to do. That's why I highly recommend you to try this website. And now next step, we need to create site name. So for example, let the coach, this is my name. Let the coach, for example, I'm the coach and I need my own website. Here you can see some tips how to use this website, how to edit your website. We don't need this. And here, first of all, you need to click this button, pages, just to check it. You have about page, classes page, contact, and join, home, classes. You can link these pages. Check this out, main navigation. You have about, classes, and contact. For example, you need to add a join page right here. Drag it here. And check this out, you have a join button right here. Now also you can delete some of them. For example, contact page, here it is. Easily delete, or you can add new one here. Also you can change site styles here, themes, fonts, colors, buttons, forms, whatever. You can easily change it. We need to reload. Click this button, edit, and now you're able to edit your website. Basically, first of all, you can see how our page is divided into several parts. From header here, next section here, it's like welcome section, I don't know. Next one, classes section. You have pull your weight, cardio circuit, gymnastics, powerlifting. Next section, it's like about the gym. You can easily delete any of those. For example, this section, I don't need this section. Click remove. Here it is. And of course you can add new section by clicking this blue button. For example, here you can add a blank section, or you can add intro, contact, about, people, products, services, whatever. I'm gonna add blank section just to show you guys how to add some stuff. So you need to click this button, add block. Block is like content, is like some stuff to add. For example, text, button, image, video, audio, form, whatever. So first of all, I need text. And for example, I need an image. And I want to edit background because I don't need this just white plain. Look, I don't like it. So I need to change background. Click edit section. Here you can see background. I can add an image. I can just change color. For example, this, or this one, or this one. Or I can edit this color here, but not in this video. So and by the way guys, I recommend you to click this save button as frequently as possible, just to not lose your content, just to not lose your progress. And here you can upload file, upload image from your computer, or select it from your Squarespace library, or browse stock images. For example, gym. This one, just for an example. You can upload it from your computer. You can put image of your gym easily. And You can write whatever you want here, for example. Just for an example. And of course you can click this button to make it like bigger. And also you can edit another sections, for example this one. You can change the placement here, you can change the size, you can change this background here, edit section, background, you can replace this one. So in general guys, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend you to try to explore it yourself. And you can toggle to mobile view just to check it out. You can see everything is fine. You don't need to edit this one. And when you're done editing your website, you need to click the save button, exit, and here you need to subscribe. You need to upgrade your plan here to have an option to have to will be able to publish your website so anyone can see it. You need to publish basically. So you can choose personal, business, basic, advanced, choose whatever you want here. Here you can see advantages of those plans. And I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.